We have Chris here, checking it out with my Fast B friend here, my Honda. This is Eric Woodman coming to you live on McKinney. There goes Chris. You see Chris. Chris, don't just bye-bye. Oh, Eric's a beautiful chick. No, nobody loves us.
The Sniff doesn't want to race.
There's Chris right there, ladies and gentlemen, and we just hit some fucking brakes right there. Whoa! Wow! This is not good anymore. Memphis in here. There's a speed limit of 45. Oh my god! We are doing it right around 60, 75 miles an hour. We are coming up. I want to drive first. Yeah, brakes would be good, but whoa! Whoa! What? We are chasing a Mustang. Couple! Whoa! Whoa! Son of a bitch! Son of a bitch! Wait! Son of a bitch! Holy shit! Okay, I'm in a little competition now. Me and my car and this motherfucker. Hey, I wonder if they forgot about me. Oh, excuse me.
Hell's nuts!
I think that was only a one-legger, guys, but